So today I'm going to show you just a real nice curl. I'm brushing it out first. And the next thing I'm doing is sectioning the hair. Well, first I'm going to show you the two brushes. I use a smaller one and a larger one. But I'm going to start out with a smaller one. And before I even do anything, I'm going to section out the hair, the front of the hair from the back. So I'm going to go back as far as that part goes and section it and do the same thing to both sides. And then I'm going to go clip the back. And after that back is clipped, I'm going to use the smaller brush. I'm going to split the hair into 3 sections after I section it out. So each section is 3 smaller sections, and then use a smaller brush, curl it toward the face, and then steam that bad boy. If you watch my other videos, you already know. Curl in the brush, steam, repeat. That second and third section though, I'm going to take the larger brush. You guys didn't see me switch out the brush. I didn't include that, but I'm going to take that larger brush and now curl it away from the face. And as I go along the entire head, whether it's on the left or the right side, because I split it into 2 sections even when I take that back out, whether it's the left or the right side, that's the direction in which I'm curling it away from the face. I'll show you later, but you've got those 3 sections in the front down, switching it to the other side. Smaller brush in the front and toward the face. All right. And also just a heads up, use that bigger brush for the second and third sections. And I will be pinning these curls later on, so you might as well just go ahead and do it now. Righty. Do to the second and the third section of hair. And say hello to the attention seeker. 7. And so once I take that, see, I'm pinning it, but once I take that back section out, you're going to see how I split it left and right after I put it back up. So if I curl the left section, curl it away from the face of the left. This is what it's supposed to look like in the end. And then once I brush it out, this is what it looks like. Very cutesy, very demure. Hope you enjoy. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments.